Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:25 p.m. February 9th, 2021, Tuesday. Here we are. Flat session overall in the markets. As you can see, the Dow, the NASDAQ, and the SPX pretty much even. To be expected, we're kind of just seeing a flat market, chop market, and doesn't mean that the things aren't setting up or things aren't flying. Like AUVI up 293%, KALV up 118%. I even added Bitcoin down here to my symbol list, 47,480. Insanity. So obviously Bitcoin plays were in action today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Want to give a shout out to my boy Craig out there. Of course, Roof is always in there. But Craig, dude, how did I not know this? 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 77 minute. I mean, how did I miss that? I just missed it in the manual, or I missed it. I don't know what it is. Just changing chart time frames is just a whole new world for me. Not that I really changed it too much, but hopefully you watched this part of the video. But I give that shout out to you. And I did get the stream deck. I got a lot of things set up on it. It's sweet. Unfortunately, I only have sells on here and cancels and sell all scenarios. I don't have any buy setups on it yet, but it's almost too fast, and I'll show you why. So let me get into it today. Pretty good day to start off. I got going on MARA, and I got a nice little trade in, what was it called? AUVI, right? So AUVI was insane. Just like my Roof likes to say, is the freaking widowmaker of traders. 117 million traded. I just nailed an entry through this level here and got this 35, and the hotkey got me out super fast. Other than trying to flinch around with my matrix and stuff. It's really sweet, this thing. So I'm pretty excited about it. Obviously, I got a long way to go and learn it, and hopefully not push the wrong button. IPOs, I love my IPOs. RAAS today, it was just an insanity play through 36 down here, through 36. Got a piece of that, sold all of it too soon. It just kept running. Was doing pretty well, and actually lost on the first trade in it because it whipped me down, but then it crushed through and got me back plus some. Pretty nice gain on that particular trade. But the trade before kind of dug into that, but I didn't hold any for the bigger move, which was like 20 something points for an IPO. Really great in the afternoon. Obviously really heavy volume on the sell side here. They were just pushing this thing up. But then I got rogue, and then I got stupid. There's another IPO. I tried getting the 30 break here, and it doesn't show it, but this candle here, look at the low here. I think it's 28.87, right? That was my fill when I tried to punch out using the get out button on my stream deck thing. It was just so fast that the bids completely dropped off, and they did it on purpose. Meanwhile, the ask was only at like 60 or something like that. I was just getting out at the 60 level thinking. I wasn't thinking I was going to get out that far, and they just pushed me down. Really bad fill. I don't blame Tradestation or anything like that. And that's another point. Tradestation really sucked this morning across the board. I know several different people struggling with it this morning. This sucked. This trade sucked, and it put me was up $320 at the time, and this one put me almost at negative. I took another trade, and that almost put me at negative. And then I got really stupid with a call on KNDI. Tried taking the move through the high a day. Just I held and helped, and it flushed me down, and I was hoping it was going back up, and guess what? It did not. And next thing you know, it's down $200 on the day, and I'm like, are you serious? So I was looking for something to trade, and then EH pops up, right? Boom, 85 break. Boom, missed it. POWW, not a great one, but a move through 8. I was going to go with actually a quite a bit of lots, and would have made 10 cents on that really quick. I knew I wouldn't have. I was only looking for 10 cents. I don't think I was looking. Oh, maybe 15 cents, and then sell the rest at break even. What else? Oh, NCTY, right? NCTY, we talked about this one in the past. I was thinking, it was kind of choppy up in this area, but look, it rips. I mean, Bitcoin's so strong. It's the Bitcoin kind of play. So I was just frustrated. So here I am down $220, I believe, on the day. And I'm watching Twitter earnings. I was watching it on 1 minute. Here's for Craig right there. Okay, 1 minute. And I was looking for the pullback here. I was actually looking at this level right here. You can see the high is 59. I actually set my order at 59.50. So if it broke the 59, I knew it was going to break. And then right here, it shot up with 300 shares. And I actually made $275 on that trade, which was probably my biggest gainer on the day. And got me into positive territory to close out the day at $58. I mean, yeah, it's on the green side. It's not very much, considering I was at like $300. And I thought I was going to have a really good day. People were nailing it in the pre-market this morning. A lot of people did very well today. And it's been a struggle this whole month of February. This is, I think, my first winning day, maybe second of the month. I've had a couple bad stretches here, and I'm looking to, get back into shape here. The setups are there. It's definitely choppy out there. It depends what you're looking at, of course. It depends on your style of trading. Things were setting up. If you look at the high flying stocks, things were out there, and you just have to, I just have to make sure I stick to the process and not get away from myself and go rogue like I did this afternoon when I was in good shape. And of course, that one trade can definitely just kind of cut you off a little bit, take a finger off. They call it paper cuts, hair cuts, whatever. I felt like that one was like, it took my whole hand off, because I was doing well. And I didn't expect that. And then what did it do? Hold on, let's go back to that ADAG, through 30 here. This flushed down, pretty good. That's a 1 minute chart. So let's go to a 5 minute. Yeah. Here, flushed you down on the high break here on this particular candle. Where's the candle? This candle. So this low candle, 28.87. Unbelievable, right? It did eventually go on the next particular move, and it went all the way up to 31. Went up to a point. So it's kind of thing. It's just like a mental game that is just I'm being attacked mentally, and I actually had my hands in my face. Told one of my buddies that I don't know scenario about this. I'm confident in what I know and what I'm doing. It's just the frustration is starting to weigh on these last 2 weeks. And, this is not a pity party, and, I'm fine financially, but, if I really want to make this happen, I don't know. The clips got to come in. So I'm hoping, because I did get better sales. Of course, that one was terrible, but on the AUVI, there was no way I was selling that fast enough without the hotkey. And that's something I'll do a video on in the next couple of weeks, how I set my hotkeys up using this Stream Deck thing. Pretty sweet tool. It's pretty expensive, but it's definitely worth it, I think. It will protect me from hitting Shift F1 or something like that on entries, and it's really fast and it's pretty easy to set up. So I'll get into that in the future. So I'll be back. I'm still grinding here. So make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, like the video, share the video, and let's look to finish up the week strong coming into hump day tomorrow. And I'll talk to you then.